Okay, today we are going to do the tandem walking test, also known as the tandem gait. So the tandem walking test is a fairly old test. It's been around forever. I was actually trying to do some research on it to see how old this test was, but I really couldn't find any data on it. It's widely used to screen patients for neurological and vestibular disorders or balance issues. It's easy to administer. Anyone could administer this test. That's why it seems to be real popular with law enforcement. They will use it to screen drivers for DWI or intoxication. Average people with no disabilities can perform this test, although performance does decline with age. So the age level for this test is 18 through 65 plus. The validity states the effect of the subject mechanics on the tandem gait performance, reaching 20 steps or not. Logistic regression revealed that age was the only significant factor for measure of postural control. Basically, it's saying that there was a probability less than 0.1% by analysis in itself would be deemed inconclusive, and further data or testing would need to be done. The reliability states the tandem gait test shows a clear ceiling effect up to 60 years of age. Performance started to decline in the 7th decade, and almost half the number of the subjects in their 70s did not reach the 20-step limit. So here I have a chart showing people basically in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s perform this test no problem. But as age progressed, people in their 70s reached on average about 17 steps, and people in their 80s only did about 14 steps on average. So with any test, you need a warm up, where for this test, proper footwear, tennis shoes, sneakers, don't wear sandals, don't wear high heels, don't wear boots, don't drink alcohol. You are only gonna need a measuring tape, some Scotch tape or painter's tape, and your smartphone stopwatch. You're gonna measure 6.5 yards, place the tape at the beginning mark and at the end of the mark. So you're gonna walk heel to toe quickly as you can while in control to the end of the 6.5 yard mark. I've done this test multiple times. It's roughly about 20 steps. So at the beginning mark, when you take your first step, you're gonna start your stopwatch. Record the time it takes to get to the end of the mark. Repeat this test 3 times. For whatever reason, if you fall or lose your balance, stop the stopwatch, restart the test. Then you're going to record your fastest time. That is going to be your final score. And I have a short video here to show you how the test is performed.
Walk heel-toe alongside a wall, ensuring that you maintain your pelvic alignment. You should avoid hitching at the hips or leaning to a side during this exercise. You may use the wall for support if you lose your balance. To progress this exercise further, try tandem walking backwards. If you find this exercise too challenging, you may try walking with a longer stride. Tandem walking is used to challenge your balance by narrowing your base of support.
Yeah, I forgot to mention in the video, she did say that you could walk backwards. You can do that, but I would just go ahead and walk forwards. And that's how you perform the tandem walking test.